Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're going to be talking about how to breed sheep inside of Minecraft. So sheep are kind of unique in that they are the way that you get wool, and wool is used as a crafting component in a whole host of things, including things that you can dye different colors. So like, for example, if I type in dye, I get like some cyan dye and some purple dye and some orange dye. I can do things like I can permanently dye the different colors of sheep. That way when I shear them, they will produce wool of that color, and then I can gather it and make cool stuff with it, including getting an achievement inside of Bedrock when I am not in creative mode. And to breed them, all you need to do is have some wheat and feed them, and then they will automatically breed, and then they will produce a baby, and then they can do that like once every like 5 minutes or so. It's worth noting that the parents have the ability to produce offspring of a similar color, although some of the more advanced colors will not necessarily always carry over, and they don't usually mix either. Like cyan and orange didn't make a weird color, it just produced a cyan sheep, so sometimes it'll be random, and sometimes they'll have a dominant gene between them. Now, if you want their wool, you can grab some shears, which is made with 2 pieces of iron. And then you can walk up and you can right-click them, and they'll produce some wool. And you can see that it's still cyan-colored, it's stubble, and this will be permanently dyed this color unless you change them with another dye. I believe you can still dye them whatever. And sheep you can find pretty much everywhere. All they require to spawn is a grass block a certain distance above, like, level 0 in the game's, like, spawn radius. And they'll spawn with plenty of light and a grass block, and then boom, there they are. They're kind of like cows and pigs. They're just everywhere. They even spawn in snowy areas as well. So yeah, that's been a brief look at how to breed sheep inside of Minecraft. They're really handy to have. You can have all sorts of fun colored wools, depending on what you're into for crafting and farming. And until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.